In this matter, respondents number 1 and 2 had moved an application for under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2, seeking injunction before the Learned Trial Court. The Learned Trial Court rejected their application. However, subsequently, they appealed before the lower appellate court, which overturned the findings of the trial court. Lordships, in this case,
You are plaintiff.
Lordships, I am the petitioner. We were co-defendants before the trial court and the appellate court.
Trial court dismissed the application.
Yes, Lord.
39 and 2.
In 39 1 and 2 of the respondents. We were co-defendants there. Lordships,
Who filed the application?
Lordship, respondent number 1 and 2 filed.
The plaintiff या defendant ये बताइए.
Plaintiffs.
The plaintiff filed.
Plaintiffs had filed
Plaintiff had filed 39 and 2.
39 1 and 2 before the trial court. They are respondent 1 and 2 in this case.
नहीं होंगे कोई बात नहीं. Plaintiff filed the application 39 and 2 that was rejected
By the Learned Trial Court. This order, Lordship, is Annexure P5 and is on page
rejection order is annexure P5.
by the Learned Trial Court on page 43, Lordships.
Page number
43.
43.
Which is specific findings were recorded by the trial court that the plaintiffs have failed to prove their possession over the plot in question, and it is the respondent number 3 in this case who is in possession of the plot in question, and therefore neither any.
The plot is open plot.
Yes, Lordship.
This is open property, open plot.
Okay.
The property is an open piece of land,
Lordship,
or it is constructed property.
since there was Lordship's construction was to take place, Lordship.
So this is open piece of land.
Yes, sir, Lordship.
1200 square feet. इसका
Yes,
total
Lordship. 1200 square feet situated at Tehsil District Rewa.
थोड़ा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ.
Lordship, in this. The coordinate bench has already stayed the lower appellate court's decision, sir. Lordship, the respondent number 3 have moved a similar application against this order. The status quo has already been granted.
What is the suit?
Lordship, the suit is for declaration and possession of the property, which was moved by the plaintiffs, and along with that, the 3912 was moved.
Prakash Narayan.
Yes, sir. Srimati Sheila Tiwari in this case is respondent number 3. We made her as respondent number 3. We have already obtained the status quo. We are praying for the same relief.
Prakash Narayan filed the suit on what basis?
Prakash Narayan had filed this petition for declaration and permanent injunction on the ground that the same was allotted to their father by virtue of agreement of exchange, which was dated 10/3/2000 by the petitioner society, and that the father of respondents number 1 and 2 expired in 2014, and that before seeking transfer of the said plot from the father of the respondents 1 and 2, petitioners have illegally sold the said plot in favor of respondent number 3. So, Lordship, respondent number 3 has already obtained the status quo order in this respect, where our humble submission and prayer is that the same order may be granted in this case, since the trial court has already recorded in our favor and has made a detailed and specific finding in this regard.
आप लोग कौन है?
Lordships, we are petitioner number 1 and 2 in this MP, and before the trial court.
You are defendant number 1 and 3.
Defendant number 1 and 2.
What is your right over the suit property?
Lordships, we are a society which transferred, we are the society which basically handed over this property to respondent number 3 or defendant number 2 before the trial court.
Have you filed a written statement or 39 and 2 reply?
Yes, Lordships, we have a copy of the plaint which has been Let's see kindly Annexure P4, which is on page 35 and 42. Page 35. In this lordships, the defendant number 2 had filed a reply, order 39(1) and 2. So lordships may kindly see page 35.
ये आपने ऑर्डर पेश किया, ये क्या है?
लॉर्डशिप्स, ये शीला तिवारी हैं, ये डिफेंडेंट नंबर 2 थी ट्रायल कोर्ट के सामने, यहाँ रिस्पॉन्डेंट नंबर 3 है। सेम प्लॉट के बारे में जो
अच्छा, सेम सूट से दूसरी पिटीशन वो
मैंने मूव किया था पहले,
this petition MP 891 2023 is arising out of the same order.
अपेलेट कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के अगेंस्ट है।
तो ये इसके साथ ही रख देते हैं ना।
जी सर, इसको इसमें नोटिस इशू कर दीजिए और लिंक कर दें अगर स्टेटस को।
स्टेटस को इसमें है तो वो तो प्रॉपर्टी का स्टेटस को दो में स्टेटस को करके क्या होगा?
जी 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 जी
स्टेटस को आई थिंक दिस विल सर्व योर पर्पस। द ऑर्डर व्हिच हैज बीन पास्ड इन MP 891 आई थिंक 2023 इट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर द सूट प्रॉपर्टी।
इसमें नोटिस इशू करके लिंक कर
नोटिस इशू कर देते हैं केवल, इसमें है, इसको इसके साथ लगा देते हैं। लिख दीजिएगा इशू नोटिस hard on admission, issue notice to the respondents on payment of process fee within 7 working days. List for further consideration after service of notice on the respondents along with MP number 891/23। तो 7 दिन का तलवाने का ऑर्डर हो गया।